You've probably heard a lot about mewing online, with claims of dramatic changes to your facial structure. But is it really as effective as people say? In this video, I'll be breaking down why mewing may or may not have any effect on your looks. But before then, what is mewing? Mewing is a technique named after Dr. John Mew, which involves placing your tongue on the roof of your mouth. The idea is that the proper tongue posture can help improve your facial structure over time, potentially giving you a more defined jawline and improved overall facial aesthetics. Many people believe that mewing alone can dramatically change your facial structure in a short period. This belief has led to numerous online success stories and even transformation pictures. However, there are a lot of misconceptions about mewing. It is not a magic bullet that works for everyone or produces drastic changes overnight, and there is no 100% guarantee that it may work for you. Now to the factors that affect mewing. 1. Your body fat percentage. Getting a defined jawline with a high body and face fat percentage is just like trying to obtain visible six-packs with a high body fat percentage. You may work out your abs all day and actually build the muscle, but as long as you have that layer of fat, it's not going to be visible or aesthetic. Same thing with mewing. You may actually create subtle changes in your jawline, but as long as you have high body fat percentage, it won't be noticeable. And sadly, in some cases of these online transformations, it is majorly based off on just dropping your face fat percentage than actually mewing. 2. Your genetics. Genetics play a crucial role in determining your facial structure, your bone structure, and your muscle placement, and overall your facial features. Mewing might help to enhance certain aspects of your face, but it won't completely change your genetic makeup. For example, if you have a naturally receding chin or a certain jaw shape, mewing might not drastically alter these features. It is important to have realistic expectations and understand that genetics sets a baseline for how much change is possible. No amount of mewing can override your genetic blueprint. 3. Your age. Age is another important factor. Younger people, especially children and teenagers, might see more noticeable changes because their bones are still growing and developing. This period of growth and development allows for more significant changes in your facial structure. For adults, however, the changes will be more subtle and take longer. The bones of adults are more set in their shape and less malleable. While mewing might still have some impact, it's unlikely to be as pronounced as in younger individuals. The flexibility and adaptability of younger bones make them more responsive to practices like mewing, whereas adult bones are more rigid. 4. Overall health and lifestyle. Don't forget the impact of overall health and lifestyle. Good nutrition, regular exercise, and proper sleep are all crucial for maintaining a healthy appearance. For instance, a diet rich in vitamins and minerals supports healthy skins and bones. Regular exercise promotes better muscle and tone and reduces excess fat, and proper sleep helps your body repair and rejuvenate. Mewing is just a piece of the puzzle. Your overall health can influence how effective mewing is. So it's important to take a holistic approach to facial aesthetics and general well-being. Poor health habits can negate the benefits of mewing, while a healthy lifestyle can enhance them. So in conclusion, is mewing a miracle cure for everyone? Not really. While it can help improve tongue posture and potentially enhance facial features over time, there are many other factors at play, including your body fat percentage, your genetics, your age, and your overall health. It's crucial to focus on overall health and not solely rely on mewing for dramatic changes.